In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best water flossers. I'll share the best water flosser and reveal which one took the top spot. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1 water flosser that I believe is the best of the bunch. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description, as I've linked each of the products mentioned. Number 5. Oralfree Water Dental Flosser. The Water Dental Flosser, with its ergonomic design and upgraded pulsation technique, is perfect for those looking for a deep clean that traditional brushing and flossing can't achieve. It offers 4 pressure modes, ranging from gentle to strong, making it versatile for everyone, including those with braces or sensitive gums. The 360-degree rotating tips ensure that every nook and cranny is reached, giving a complete oral care experience. Its powerful battery lasts up to 15 days on a single 4-hour charge, making it ideal for travel. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without worry. With Oralfree's 12-month after-sale service, it's a smart investment for your oral health. Number 4. Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. The Nicwell Water Flosser is designed to deliver unmatched oral cleanliness and health. With its ultra-fine double-thread water pulse technology, it offers a deep and safe clean that outshines traditional flossers. The powerful water pressure, pulsing between 1,400 to 1,800 times per minute, efficiently removes plaque and boosts gum health for fresher breath. It features 4 modes with 11 adjustable intensity levels, making it perfect for those with sensitive gums or unique dental needs. The 30-day battery life ensures it's ready whenever you need it, whether at home or on the travel. Plus, its versatile nozzle attachments cater to various oral care tasks, from daily cleaning to caring for braces. This flosser isn't just another gadget, it's the ultimate all-in-one oral care system. Number 3. Bitvae C5 Water Flosser. The Bitvae Water Flosser offers a versatile approach to oral hygiene with its 3 modes and 5 intensity settings, making it perfect for gentle or deep cleaning. Its 260 milliliters large-capacity water tank ensures a full 60-second mouth cleanse without the hassle of constant refills. The wide-mouth reservoir is easily detachable, making cleaning and refilling a breeze. With an impressive 40-day battery life, it's an excellent travel companion, easily charged via USB. This flosser also includes 5 replacement tips with a 360 degrees rotation, reaching every nook of your mouth. Plus, its IPX7 waterproof design allows for safe use in the shower. This flosser is compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly, making it a twice-daily essential for a fresh smile. Number 2. Waterpik Water Flosser. The Waterpik cordless water flosser offers an advanced and convenient way to maintain your oral health. Its 360-degree rotating tip makes it easy to reach every part of your mouth, including those tricky back teeth. With a rechargeable design that lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge, it's perfect for travel. It even comes with a microfiber travel bag and a tip storage case, making it a great portable option. Recommended by dental professionals, Waterpik is the only brand to earn the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance for its safety and effectiveness. The flosser's 7-ounce removable reservoir and 3 pressure settings provide a thorough cleaning, removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria. It's a reliable choice backed by over 60 years of innovation, offering a practical and efficient way to take care of your oral hygiene. Number 1. COSLUS Water Dental Flosser. The COSLUS Water Flosser is designed for a thorough and effective oral care routine. With its advanced dual-thread water pulse technology, it removes up to 99.9% of dental stains and food particles, keeping your teeth clean and gums healthy. The standout feature is its upgraded 300 milliliters water tank, which is double the size of many other models, reducing the need for frequent refills during use. Perfect for travel and on-the-go use, it boasts a 30-day battery life on a single 3-hour charge. Additionally, the IPX7 waterproof design means you can safely use it in the shower, adding convenience to your oral care routine. With 3 modes and 5 interchangeable nozzles, the COSLUS flosser caters to various needs, offering a versatile and user-friendly experience. Investing in the right water flosser can make a significant difference in your oral health routine. Each of the products we've reviewed offers unique features, from advanced cleaning technology to portability and ease of use. Whether you're looking for deep cleaning, long battery life, or travel-friendly options, there's a perfect water flosser on this list to fit your needs. Take your pick and enjoy a fresher, healthier smile every day. Let me know in the comments which water flosser is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.